would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you?
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Alright, so you might have seen that I got up maybe an hour or two ago. I inserted some clips of what I was doing earlier this morning. To be honest, it's a struggle to like wake myself up whenever I get up early because I'm just so not a morning person. But we're here, we're doing it, and today is going to be a casual day in the life vlog. We're at home today. It's a holiday in Japan today and tomorrow. Actually, today is Monday, and one of the two holidays is like introduction to fall, so autumn equinox day or something like that. That's besides the point. It's a holiday and we plan to get work done. However, today's work is kind of different for me than what you guys would normally see, because today I wanted to take for learning. I'm in the business of building my own brand, you know, trying to escape the 9 to 5 and trying to build myself, learn as much as I possibly can before I actually quit my job and all of that stuff. There are a lot of things to learn, guys. There are a lot of things that you don't know that happens behind the scene of even creating this very video that you're watching. All of that stuff. And there are things that I need to do to like help my channel grow more. Other business ventures that I want to pursue, all of that stuff. I need information, I need to learn. So today is gonna be all about that. Like, my to-do list has nothing to do with actually editing any video or anything like that. Of course, I'm filming this video, which is technically work, but filming is easy. But I'm not editing any videos today. What I'm doing is just basically learning. The only work related thing that I am doing, but as a matter of fact, this is also work related, you know, but what I mean is I'm not going to be actively editing any videos or anything like that. Later down in the day, I'll ask Adam to come in and help me rewatch a video to see how much I can cut out of it. My apartment tour video is like half an hour long and I want to cut it down a little bit more. So I want another eye on it to help me figure out what I can leave out. So yeah, today it's all about filming this very video that you are watching. I have to download some materials from some influencers and stuff, because very soon I want to be working with brands, doing sponsorships, all of that stuff. I need information on how to go about that, how to set up myself first before I approach any brand at all, and do all of those stuff and dive into my influencer brand a bit more. So I have to do some learning around about that. And I have to join some Facebook groups for some challenges that my coaches are currently doing so that I can learn more. So basically today is going to be just me watching YouTube videos all day. So let us just get to work. I have all of my books right here on my desk. So I have YouTube content ideas. I've gone through these books with you guys already, so I'm not going to do that again. But I basically have everything out, so I can go and write and watch and write and all of that stuff. I also have today's video outline so I don't bore you with just hours of chatting. I have things that I definitely want to show you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to be here watching videos, guys, and learning. So we'll catch up soon.
So you can start from having nothing right now, and then by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a full full website, your niches, your keywords, you'll have your affiliate offers, and everything you need to be successful in affiliate marketing. 26. So this is easy. And then it gives us more options as well. So just take note of which ones ranked with which numbers. So over on your list here, you can come in and you can put the number that it was. So go.
Guys, listen, as I took up my phone, I remember that I wanted to introduce you guys to something. No, I have been living under a rock when it comes on to this product, pop sockets, guys. Like, I have been living under a rock because pop sockets aren't new, but whenever I've seen them about the place, I'm always like, why are people raving about pop sockets? Like, it's so big and bulky. Like, there's no way in hell this could help anyone with their phone. And then I decided that I'm going to upgrade my case and I'm going to try a pop socket. Guys, like, and this is not a sponsored video, and pop socket is absolutely not sponsoring this in any way, but I am hooked on this stuff. Like, guys, it's a life-changing product. I don't even have the words to explain to you. But if you do not have a pop socket and you want more control over your phone, get yourself a pop socket. They're cheap, they're affordable. This one I paid, I think, less than $10, maybe $9 something on Amazon, and it has changed the game for me because you guys know I'm on Instagram stories, I'm always recording stories, I'm always using my phone and all that stuff. This, like, you know, we always use our phone and we have this little pinky under here to support our phones. You don't need to do that with pop socket, guys. Like, you just hold it like this is my hand on the phone, guys. It's not falling. It is mobile. Like, I can use it, I can do my Instagram stories just like this. Like, I had no idea this little thing was so handy. Trust me, you need to get on a pop socket train if you have not yet done so. I will link my exact pop socket down in the description box below, so please head down there to grab my exact pop socket, guys. It even, like, it does not have to be this bulky all the time. Like, you can squeeze it in if you are not using it or if you just want to rest your phone. And also, when you do it like this, it can act as a nice little TV stand. Well, not TV stand, but a nice little stand so you can watch a video like this. Like, it is life-changing. Get you a pop socket if you do not. Pop socket, like, I'm out here raving about your product. Like, sponsor me, please, because this stuff, bingo. That was all of my morning. It is now like 1 p.m. and it is lunchtime. I'm so excited for lunch because I'm trying something new. I'm going to make some cheese quesadillas, or whatever the way that is pronounced, but basically it's cheese tortillas, like, kind of. I'm going to take you guys along with me for making that, but I have consumed so much information on affiliate marketing, and then after lunch I'll be consuming more information on building a blog or a website and some of that stuff. So let us go make some quesadillas. I have to wash my pot though, guys, because the frying pot was in use. So let me get my tripod. To start, I'm just going to, like, cut up a small amount of onions. I do not want too much, simply because it's cheese, and I mean, cheese, onion, I'm not sure, but I still want it to have a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to be adding some onion and a bit of sweet pepper. And I know I cut onions badly, okay? Just don't mind me. Alright, this looks like it could be enough. You guys, and there you have it. So I'm only putting onions and sweet potatoes sweet peppers inside the quesadillas, and I have, hold please, I have pizza crust here that I got. I mean, it's pizza crust, but it can work as tortillas too, I hope. The thing is, I have tortillas, but they are to make another meal, so I do not want to use them. I think these will be just fine. They'll be just fine, guys. So let's make these tortillas, shall we? And it's just like 2 pieces, so this better do for lunch for me and Adam. I also have my cheeses, so this is a mixed cheese. So let us just get into the pot. So this is what the quesadilla looks like. If we lift it up, we can see all the gooey cheese and so on. We'll slice this into triangles, and I actually think I'm going to make another one for Adam because this cannot be shared, okay? Special delivery.
What is this?
It's cheese quesadilla. It's Spanish. Quesadilla. Quesadilla. We had this on our very first date at Mango's, but it was chicken quesadillas.
Oh yeah. And this is cheese. Cheese
Yes.
quesadilla. Alright.
So it's just cheese and onions and green peppers.
I'll let you know how it is.
Okay. It's lunchtime. I am so very much hungry. So as I said, I made cheese quesadillas, and you guys seen what it looked like. So I cut them into little like triangular pieces. The triangles are not perfect, but whatever. So yeah, let's try it. It's good, but I probably would not add much onions next time. I am tasting the cheese, but I feel as if I am eating more onions than cheese. So probably next time I would
can confirm, yeah, this is excellent. You can taste the buttery
public service announcement
crust and whatnot. Only thing, yeah, these onions,
yeah, so
too many.
we're not digging the onions. The recipe that I looked up had onions and jalapenos in there.
But it's very cheesy, and the crust is light and flaky, fried in butter.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's good.
So I didn't use oil, I used butter, as you guys would have seen.
So it's not oily. It just has a nice,
Yeah,
light
it's pre-made
taste.
tortillas. I didn't make the tortillas by myself. Yeah, so guys, I would definitely take out the onions and just have it be a cheesy goodness. And then again, the cheese here in Japan is not very flavorful. It's not what I'm used to back home in Jamaica. It is very mild. It tastes nothing like cheddar cheese. Tasty cheese. Jamaicans, you know what's up. The cheese does not taste like tasty cheese here. So definitely anything too extra, then you won't taste it. But it's good. It's a nice snack, and I would recommend this recipe. Try it and let me know what you think. But for right now, lunchtime while watching more videos. Usually if I'm working from home, when it's lunchtime, I typically just take an hour break and just do what I want to do. But I want to watch as many videos as I can today, because tomorrow I'm back to actually working and filming and editing. So, and then Wednesday I'm back to my actual 9-to-5 job. So I want to consume as many videos and notes and take as many notes as I can today. So let's get eating. Also, this is why I do not eat and drink, because Adam can tell you that if I'm going to eat and drink, that once I put the juice at my mouth, I am not stopping until the glass is empty. So I really don't practice to eat and drink, because I'll drink off the entire thing. You guys, so currently Adam is helping me cut down my apartment tour video footage, because it is a long one and I need another pair of eyes to help me like try to cut things out that are really unnecessary. So he's here helping me right now. That's what we're doing. And it is late, guys. It is 9:39 p.m. I haven't filmed since we saw each other at lunch. So I'm just trying to finish this video tonight. What?
No,
What happened? Jesus Christ. What happened now?
Innocent.
What?
No, sir. Oh, what is
I wish you guys could have seen what I've seen. Adam, over the past few days, guys, me and Adam, we have really been noticing Adam is slowly but surely getting the married man belly. Like, if you're a Jamaican, you know exactly what I mean. But if you're not Jamaican, a married man belly is what we call men, especially slim men, getting belly fat once they get married. So for the past few days, Adam and I have been noticing that his belly is growing, so we continuously laugh at it. Yeah, so I am finally getting a chance to eat. I think I'm going to wrap up work here for the night because it is like minutes after 10 p.m. I usually do not work this late, but I was having a bit of a struggle and I had to call on Adam to like help me sort some things out through my mind and so on. Yeah, so I'm eating dinner. Adam already ate. Usually we eat together. Tonight was not one of those nights, and that is life. I'm just eating by my office desk right now. So this is what we have for dinner tonight, guys. I made stew peas. So today is Monday. Yesterday I made stew peas and white rice. A little bit of an avocado right here. And that is basically my Sunday, Monday, what I'm eating for dinner. I am going to end this vlog here for tonight. The only other thing that I have to do is to get a shower and get in front of the television and watch 3% with Adam. And yeah, that is my night. I hope you enjoyed this day in the life vlog. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys.